purpose of banking regulation, as any form of regulation, is to control a respective market. And in this case, it's about stability and integrity of the financial market to ensure balanced and fair competition and behavior on the market. If banks were not regulated, they could, to some extent, do whatever they want. They could, for example, create money without a counter value, which would then lead to imbalance and lack of fair chances and fair competition.
Basically, it is a legal prerequisite if you want to offer a financial service in the market to have a banking license. Solaris Bank has a full banking license regulated by the supervisory authority in Germany. And as such, it enables us to offer banking services such as account management, consumer loans, fixed deposits, and so on.
This full banking license allows us to offer all forms of banking services. And given that we are a banking as a service provider and we follow a platform approach, we want to interact with all sorts of business models, and we aim to cooperate with all forms of partners out there. Imagine you want to offer your customers a financing, then we will identify the customers, we will provide the loan documentation, and we will score them so that you can focus on your customer relationship.
So basically, this is also the reason, adding on what Aris just said, why Samsung approached Solaris Bank, not only because of our great tech stack and because we are a tech company, but also because we provide the fully regulatory landscape so they can offer and fully focus on Samsung Pay. So one of the regulatory requirements Solaris Bank needs to adhere to is the German Money Laundering Act. The German Money Laundering Act defines all preventive and detective measures a financial institution needs to take to detect financial crime. As such, Solaris Bank is taking over for the cooperation partner all related processes to identification of customers, transaction monitoring in a way of automated processes.
So I think Steffi's superpower is that there's no process within Solaris Bank that she doesn't know or is not able to handle.
If I think about Ade's superpower, it is definitely that he does not get tired and he does not lose his patience to explain processes and legal requirements again and again and again until the last person understood what it is all about.